Hello, welcome to Morris Money, where we give you stock tips in under 5 minutes. I'm your host, Morris Willie. The time we're in right now will create two defined people in the years to come, the haves and the have-nots. Inflation is up 500% from last year and it's not stopping anytime soon. There are many ways to profit. Today we're talking about the profitability of silver and why I'm investing 50% of my portfolio into silver. To quote Warren Buffett, diversification may preserve wealth, but concentration builds wealth. Over the last couple of months, we've gotten into silver and our conviction is higher than ever. This combined with our discovery of WallStreetSilver, and how could you not love silver? WallStreetSilver is a Reddit group of silver stackers. They believe silver is a real currency. Central banks have been printing currency irresponsibly, and silver and gold will protect investors against currency deflation and inflation, which are many of our own beliefs in silver. We see great upside in silver. To start with, it's a hedge against inflation. The United States isn't going to stop printing money anytime soon, resulting in a weaker dollar. Next, silver is also a great store of value. In the short term, prices may fluctuate, but if you look over the long term, silver continues to appreciate. You may see people also talking about the short squeeze. This could be a side effect of investing in silver. Right now, we have people buying physical silver hoping to shoot up the price. To quote a Market Realist article, buying physical silver or shares of silver stocks is a way to get involved in the so-called silver short squeeze. When more investors buy a stock or commodity, short sellers usually need to sell shares to cover their losses. SLV is one great way to get involved, although you should also be aware of the risks of this kind of short squeeze. As the Motley Fool reported on the general short squeezes, for stocks with truly massive amounts of short interest relative to the volume of available shares, this effect can snowball for some time, leading to a tremendous volatility and huge spikes in the share price. The idea is to buy physical silver and paper silver when it's time to cover. Silver will be off to the races. Silver could increase if people continue to buy physical silver. If we were to buy all the physical silver, silver prices would increase due to low supply and high demand. Even if you were to invest in paper silver, one example coming from SLV, it could also be a good idea. It's widely known that silver is manipulated, so the actual chances of a short squeeze happening are pretty good. I plan to continue buying physical silver as we have solid fundamentals behind buying it, those being a hedge against inflation and silver being a store of wealth that has historically appreciated over time. With inflation only increasing, silver is bound to appreciate in the coming years. If we don't see a silver short squeeze, silver is a time-tested investment that will reach short squeeze prices over a long period of time. With these points, I plan to allocate about 50% of my portfolio into silver. I see solid factors that could bring the price of silver up in the short term and the long term. Leave your thoughts on silver below, and please don't take this video as financial advice, and thank you for watching Morris Money.